It is Canada Day, and I've just left my car running here. I'm at the, let's close this up. I'm at the Living Arts Center, and this is the new response unit, the 679 car, and I just want to document it really quickly. And it's good that it's in the shade, because then it's easy to do. So there's the license plate. And we're going to do a quick walk around. And I especially want to see the mirrors. This is the trim. Swoopy design here. And the mirror. It's got the lights up at the top. That should be irresponsible unit. And it should be trimmed down here. Lie, deny, stonewall. And over here, lie some more. And there should be a caveat here at the back that says those driving this car have no complaint system worth filing. So this is the trim. And there seems to be something right here. Interesting, I wonder what that is. Anyway, that's it. I prefer my car. That'll be it. We're gonna go. Just one more thing. All Dodge Chargers are built in Brampton, Ontario. All Dodge Chargers. And you know, you gotta feel sorry. It's a splendid, beautiful, beautiful car. And these police package Dodge Chargers, like this one, could have been a police car. But what was its destiny? A knob unit. A knob unit. And if there's such a thing as feeling sorry and having sympathy for a car, this is it. Buddy, you could have been a police car. And what did they do to you? They turned you into a knob unit. Turning camera on.